You're stuck, you're hitting the gym 4, 5, maybe 6 days a week, pushing hard, sweating your ass off, but you're still not getting the gains you want. Here is the problem. You think the solution is more thing. But what if I told you the one thing sabotaging your progress isn't what you're doing in the gym, it's what you're not doing out of it. Today I'm solving this for you. We're not adding another exercise or another set. I'm showing you why your muscles might need almost a full week to recover and grow after one truly brutal session. This goes against everything you've been told, but this is exactly why you are stuck and exactly how to get unstuck. By the way, my name is Boris Kish. I'm a IFBB licensed fitness coach, nutritionist, and a super heavyweight bodybuilding competitor in the category over 100 kilograms. Welcome to my channel. First of all, you have to know that you're not growing when you go to the gym, okay? When you go to the gym, this is not where the magic happens, okay? You go there, you destroy your muscles, you go into the catabolismus mode. You understand? That means that you're tearing those muscles down and you actually start growing outside of the gym. This is the part that most people just don't want to accept, be honest, because it means patience, discipline, and you have to trust the process. And here is how the cycle actually works. You need approximately 3 days to repair the damage. Understand? I mean, after you train, your muscle first has to repair. That repair takes approximately 36 to 72 hours. As I said, in other words, 3 full days. And during those 3 days, you're not building the new tissue. You're just repairing the old one that got damaged. You're getting back to baseline, balancing protein synthesis with the protein breakdown that you got while you were crushing and destroying your session in the gym. Comment below, do you ever feel overtrained? And what split are you actually running? And then, this is where the magic happens. After those 3 days, becomes the phase that's called the supercompensation. What is that? That is the phase when your body, when your muscles are actually putting on the new tissue. You understand? It makes you stronger than you were before because it always adds a little bit more to that micro injury. And that second phase lasts also for about 2 to 3 days, in that short 1 to 2 day window where your performance is actually elevated. So let's add it all up. 3 days for full recovery, 2 to 3 days for growth and adaptation. That's a total of 5 to 6 days for one complete cycle, full cycle. And here is the truth. If you train the same muscles too early, you cut the process short. You understand? This is, when somebody asks me, which split is the best, what do I think about upper-lower split, what do I think about push-pull legs? Here is your answer. You stop your body before it even has a chance to grow. But if you give it those 5 to 6 days, you'll simply finish the cycle, the damage, recovery, growth. That's how you get stronger. And most people simply fuck up themselves because they're impatient. They think more training equals more results. No, it doesn't. More isn't better. Better is better. Smarter is better. Patient is better. And if you're getting value from this content, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and I will really appreciate it, my friend. But I really want to point out this thing. This breakout is for those chasing maximum hypertrophy, the most muscle and the most strength possible. If you're actually running full body or pull push legs or whatever feels good for you, do you understand? Even if you're training 7 days a week, that's totally fine. I fully respect that. Keep going. Any training is better than no training, but understand this thing. This 5-6 cycle is the principle for minimum overlap. Understand, so you don't interrupt recovery before the growth actually happens. Every rep you do break the muscle down, but every day you recover builds you back up stronger. This is the key of bodybuilding, building the tissue that got repaired in the gym. Respect the cycle, respect those 5 to 6 days, and this is where the real progress lives. And if you want to find out whether you're truly making muscle progress and strength, click on this video right here, and I'll see you there.